Hey guys, quick unboxing and overview of the couple of the new SOG knives that came out in the recent months. Here I got the Flash AT. This is one of those new release knives that SOG released out of the four. This will be like a daily version with the new assisted open AT XR lock, ambidextrous, which is awesome, and then the D2 steel. So this one, I believe I ordered a charcoal gray. And then here we got the Aegis AT, I guess. Same open and lock mechanism, also D2 steel, more of the outdoor version. And I don't even remember what color we got here, so we will see in a second. And this is locked up good. There we go. So this is actually my first SOG knives in a while. I've been tempted to get them for a while, and after seeing all the reviews out there, I was like, let me get a pair, why not? So it feels a little slippery. I'm sure that comes off. It's just probably oil from storage. All right, super fast opening. So the lock doesn't work right now. Thing has to be closed. There we go. So it feels good in the left and the right. So this should be locked. This should be locked. Yep, it's not going. Nice blade shape. This perforation here is actually really awesome. Clip. Good tension on it and not too tight. I'm gonna put a little lanyard here. I'm gonna take this guy out hiking tonight or today, so maybe I'll do some test videos for you guys as well to add to this. All right, let's see the other guy. So this is the Flash AT. And as you guys know, as most of the knife collectors, this is what we got a knife for, to open boxes. That's the common joke out there. Alright, so charcoal gray is pretty awesome actually. Was tempted to get all black, but figure let's do something different. Nice clamp. Also quick opening. So the blade on this one is going to be a little longer, I believe. Yep. Either one great daily or outdoor knife, to be honest. This one has the lanyard clip here, which I guess will be a little more useful for outdoor purposes. Look. Smooth, but won't click on its own, so feels good in the hand, left or right. So yeah, try to get you some more videos of them in action. Thanks for watching. Alright, so now we're gonna put the Aegis to the test. There's also hiking stick. You see, cuts pretty good. Thank you. Alright guys, so we took the Aegis AT camping, and it performed really well. Sharpened a couple of spear sticks with it, chopped some pretty thick branches, and it did great. This was previously slippery when I first unpacked it. It was probably just like the original oil to protect the blade, so wipe it up before you use it. You don't want it slipping out of your hand. But let's see how the sharpness is. Let's just clean this up. It's a little filthy. Probably need some oil. So yeah, still sharp after chopping. Sorry, I'm not the best paper cutter. Alright, it's not perfect, but I did beat it up pretty good. What's next? One thing I noticed about the knife, when you close it, you can feel the tension. You need technically 2 hands to close this thing. It does charge it up pretty strong. It's not like the super smooth knife like ProTech, with super smooth closing opening, but that's not the purpose of this knife. It's a beat me up knife. It's meant to last and perform. And the Flash AT is basically the same thing. I didn't take this guy out today. I just wanted to show you guys the paper. Sorry, I'm not good at this. I never do any paper tests. Knife is not meant to cut paper sheets, but to help you when you need it. Anyway, love the knife. Feel free to comment, ask any questions. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. I have more knife videos coming up. Thank you.